Yeah, Sai. The year is coming to an end. A very important year of all our lives, 2021. A year that we will always remember for what it was, for various reasons. A year which must have brought lots of problems our way, but at the same time, it came with so much of lessons, so much learning, so many deep, profound experiences, so much spiritual growth. I don't know whether I should call it a year of loss or a year of gain, because when I look at Baba and think, I know everything comes our way for a reason, and I know that reason is always a good reason. So I would really want to believe that this year has been special for us, despite the many losses, despite all that we have left behind. There is still so much more to embrace, to look forward to. I've just come out of a session after meeting a large number of people from across the world who are becoming healers. And I don't know, I just got very emotional during the session listening to everybody. And I just knew I had to record a video today to share something with all of you. I was listening to everyone who came on my screen and spoke to me. And I think one thing that is common in all our lives that we don't uh, pay much attention to, that we don't express enough gratitude for, is the presence and the blessing of Baba in our life. When I meet people, everybody says, because of Baba, I have a baby. Because of Baba, I have a life. Baba got me a job. Baba got my health back. When I was traveling, I suddenly came across Baba's temple and he reaffirmed he's with me. I've gone off antidepressants because of Baba. My life has healed because of Baba. My children are healthier and happier today because Baba saved us. I mean, everything that I hear has one line in common, that it's Baba who has given this to us. I just wanted to do this video to express gratitude to Baba, to our dear Baba, who has changed our lives forever by entering our lives. I mean, what was I before Baba and what am I today? My God, I can't even compare. There is no comparison. It's like getting a new lease of life when Baba enters our world. It's like getting enormous strength to face any challenge when Baba enters our world. Problems don't bother us like they used to. Pain cannot uh, break us. Why? Because He's standing with us at every time. I wonder how the world is for people who don't have this blessing called Baba in their lives. I wonder how it is to not have this very strong faith to hold on to that we have been blessed with. But we truly are very blessed. As the year ends, I just want to say this thank you from me and on behalf of all of you to our Baba, who holds us, leads us, guides us, and despite all the darkness, despite all the heartbreaks, despite all the losses, gives us the strength to survive, to live, and move on with a smile. बाबा है तो सब कुछ है, बाबा नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. I always say this to you, don't I? Because He's there, so we are there. We have Him, so we are alive, breathing, living. What would life be without Him? What would I be without Him? What would you be without Him? We fight with Him, we quarrel with Him, we complain to Him. That's fair enough, right? That's why, because he's Baba, he's Guru, he's God, he's Father, he's Mother, he's everything. He's our only go-to place. Where else will we go if we need help? Where else will we go if we need to feel the balm of His love? We need to be soothed. We need to feel better. It's just Baba who just is all around us. I'm emotional and I really don't know what more to say. I know this video is not coming with any big message for all of you, but this video is a reminder to each one of us that we should never forget to be so grateful that Baba chose us. We could have been one of those millions of people who do not know Baba, whose lives have not been touched by Baba. But we are not. We are part of those millions whose lives have been touched by Baba, whom he holds in his embrace, who he walks with. I think if you just take one Baba, that word, out of my life, it'll be zero, finished. Nothing would be left of me if he's not there, because today, everything we have, everything we are, we move on despite all odds, it's because he's there. So just remember to say a gratitude to him, and gratitude is beautiful, like I've said in my various videos. When we express gratitude, we acknowledge his presence in our life. Not expressing gratitude makes the relation one way. He is giving, but we are not even saying thank you for it. It's one way. He continues to give, and we continue to ignore and not even be grateful for it. That makes the relationship weaker. But when we express gratitude to our God, our Guru, for what He does silently without even us asking for it, without us even knowing or realizing He's doing it, we only see those blessings which are big, and we observe and notice them, or things we've been asking for. But Baba gives us a million other things which we don't ask for, which we don't even notice have been done, but He has silently done them, sitting right there behind us. We have to be grateful for all those blessings. And the more gratitude inside us, I promise you, the more blessing you will receive, I will receive, we will receive. Because the relationship will get deeper and more profound and more strong when we remember to acknowledge His blessing, His presence, His grace in our life. So let's be grateful as we end this year. Look forward to new beginnings. Let's just remember that we should begin our day when we open our eyes. There should be a smile of gratitude on our lips that Baba, you're there, so I'm waking up to another new day. Despite everything that life throws at me, I have strength, I'm moving on, I'm not giving up, I'm not breaking, because you are with me, Baba. You are my strength, Baba. You are my strength, Baba. आप हो तो मैं हूँ, आप नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. या साई.